Hi! In front of me is Oppo Reno 7 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, go into settings. Now choose Bluetooth and tap on the switcher to activate it. After that, you need to wait for available devices and tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Now wait for the pop-up and select pair. Then you need to wait for the other device to accept your connection request. And as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, you can always do that by choosing this little icon next to the device and tapping on Unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!